Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove your property from Zillow. The first one I'd like you to do is to open your browser and head over to Zillow Rental Manager. Sign in using your Zillow account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside the Zillow Rental Manager, just go ahead and click on Properties, and it's going to take you over here. So locate the property that you want to remove. Click on the property to open its management page. On the properties management page, you'll see tabs including overview, listing. So click on listing. This takes you to the area where you can manage the property's active rental advertisement. So I have this listing is not active. All right. So here we're actually looking for a listing that is active, right? So if your listing is active, which is what we want to delete, it's going to show active. Now on the listing page, you're going to see an option called deactivate. Here on the listing page, you will see an option called deactivate if it's already active. So go ahead and click on deactivate. So this is the current Zillow Rental Manager method for taking an active rental advertisement off the market. So once you click on deactivate, follow any confirmation prompt the Zillow displays. Once the listing is deactivated, it will no longer be actively advertised for rent. Zillow says that a deactivated listing remains available as off-market on your properties page, meaning you can activate it again later if you need to rent the property again. Don't be concerned if the property doesn't disappear immediately. Zillow says it can take up to 24 hours for a deactivated rental listing to be removed from Zillow, Trulia, and Hotpad. So give the system some time to process the change before assuming the activation didn't work. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.